I am a big fan of this knife set. It's really been a perfect addition to the kitchen. First of all, it comes with 6 steak knives here, this cutting block, these kitchen shears. It comes with 2 utility knives of different sizes, and then a paring knife. It comes with a bread knife, a slicing knife, and a chef's knife. And then what I really love is it comes with this knife sharpener in the back, where you just take one of your knives and you run it through the back like that to sharpen. It's very sleek, very minimalistic. It's carbon steel, rust-free blades. They are super sharp. I only hand wash these, do not dishwash these. They are great, good product, good quality, and really sturdy.